show one solution of this x cubed plus 2x minus 5 equals 0 lies between 1 and 2. Even if you're not sure what to do, at this stage I would actually substitute in x is 1. Let's see what we get. So substitute x equals 1, and that gives me 1 cubed is 1, plus 2 1s are 2, take away 5, that's 3, take away 5 is minus 2. And then sub in x equals 2, 2 cubed is 8, plus 2 2s 4, take away the 5, and that's 12 minus 5, that's 7. And then so it goes from minus 2 to 7. Somewhere it's got to pass through 0. I'll put it like this. So if we have minus 2 down here, say, so that gap there is minus 2, and we have got this gap here going up to there is 7. If it's going from here to here, it has to cross through this line, and that was 0 in terms of our number line. So there's a sign change from negative to positive, therefore solution between x equals 1 and x equals 2. But you've got quite a lot just for substituting those in. Find this solution correct to one decimal place. Okay, so one decimal place, we're going to do it by trial and improvement. So we've got our x value, and we've got our value for x cubed plus 2x minus 5. So I'm going to try, well, it looks to me as though it's going to be closer to 1 than it is to 2, because 2 is 7, this is 1. So I'm going to start off with 1.2, do 1.2 cubed plus 2 times 1.2, take away 5, is negative 0.872. That's too small, so I'm going to try 1.3, and that gives me 1.3 cubed plus 2 times 1.3, that's minus 0.203. It's getting closer. Try 1.4, and that gives me 0.544. So it's got to be somewhere between 1.3 and 1.4. So what I need to do is try a number exactly between them, 1.35, and then see which way it goes. I put in 0.35, or sorry, 1.35, I get 0.160375. And that means, if I look at it, if I look at the 1 point, that's negative and that's positive. So it must be somewhere between those, because it'll go from a negative up to a positive, and somewhere there'll be 0 between those. So it's got to lie between 1.3 and 1.35, and therefore my answer must be 1.3 to one decimal place, because it's got to be less than 1.35, so it could be 1.34, and 1.34 would round down to 1.3. So my answer is 1.3, and that's 11 done.